Integral stabilizers have long been widely used in various power supplies of most electronic devices. Their distinguishing features are good technical characteristics, not a high price, and limited number of components in the assembly of the power source, the core of which is the integral stabilizer itself. Here are some examples of circuits with stabilizers of KR142 series. The voltage stabilizer with an external regulating transistor. As we know, chips of KR142 series can be given to the load the current of up to 1.5 to 3 amperes, depending on the type. The maximum current for their work is highly undesirable. Therefore, to facilitate their operation, it is possible to connect an external regulating transistor. At low currents, the voltage drop at the resistor R1 is not great, and the device works just like without the transistor. At a higher current, the voltage drop amounts to 0.6 to 0.7 volts, and the transistor begins to open, limiting the current flowing through the chip. It supports the output voltage at a given level. The following circuit with the current limitation through the regulating transistor. This problem is solved by the parallel connection to the emitter junction of the transistor of two series diodes, which are open in case of excess of the load current of 7 amperes. The stabilizer continues to work at further increase in the current, but only up to 8 amperes. Then the circuit protection system against overload is activated. In the following circuit, the transistor VT1 also acts as a regulating element. The resistor R1 is chosen so that the transistor is open at the load current at about 100 mA. The VT transistor responds to changes in the voltage drop across the resistor R2 and opens when it reaches 0.6 to 0.7 volts, thus protecting the regulating transistor VT1.